Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps on how to add another phone number to your Instagram account on PC with the latest update. If you've been looking to link a new number for extra security or just to keep your account up to date, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. There, you'll see the More option. Give that a click. And from the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where all of your account management tools are located. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice an option called Account Center. Go ahead and click that. This is where Instagram and Facebook manage connected information, including login details and contact preferences. Next, choose Personal Details. When you're inside this section, you'll see a tab called Contact Info. Click on that, then select Add New Contact. Since we're adding a new phone number, choose Add Mobile Number. Now it's time to enter the new phone number you'd like to add. Type it in carefully, then select the Instagram account you want to attach this number to. After that, click Next. Instagram will send a confirmation code to the new number you just added. Check your phone for that code, then enter it back into Instagram. Once the code has been added and verified, click Next one final time. That's it. You've successfully added another phone number to your Instagram account using your PC. This new number can be used for login verification, password resets, and keeping your account secure. Keeping your contact information updated is an important step in protecting your social media. By adding a backup number, you make sure that even if you lose access to one, there's always another way to recover your account quickly and securely. If this guide helped you, make sure to update your details whenever you change numbers so that your account stays safe. Thanks for watching.